Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Christine, and kindly remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are on the road to 500 subscribers, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support and the love you've been showing me. So guys, in today's video I've decided to show you my face care routine, as in what I do at night before I sleep on my face to remove some dark spots. I had some breakouts, so I'm working on them. And the products I use are here. I use turmeric. Hope you can see it's turmeric powder. Yeah, I also use some milk, but instead of milk you can also use lemon juice. I have a container, a small container here. I use it to mix the concoction. Yeah, I also I also have natural aloe vera here. I just love using aloe vera, but they Google on the benefits of aloe vera on skin, especially face. It's also good on hair. Yeah, that's what I used. I've already washed my face. I use this type of soap to wash my face every now and then. Like anytime I'm washing my face, I use this soap. So guys, this is the container. I cut some lemon. And squeeze the juice. And then add the turmeric powder. I'm just making the one I'll be using tonight. So nachukua kaka kijiko kadogo and mix. And we add kidogo. I will add some little amount of milk. So this is it, guys. Also, by the way, you can Google the benefits of turmeric on skin. So that's it. I've already washed my face, so let me apply this concoction. Yeah, let me apply. And note that sijatumia aloe vera bado. I haven't used aloe vera yet, so you just apply all over your face. But the concoction inasaidia kutoa the black spots, and also inafanya it makes your skin smooth. By the it removes the dark spots and also makes your skin very smooth, so soft. Right now it has dried up, so I'll go and wash it out using the black soap, the shea butter black soap, and I'll be back. Okay, I've washed my face, so I'll show you how I use this aloe vera. Yeah, so I cut a slice, I don't know how to say, like nakatanisha hivyo, then I cut sides. Kuna mimba, is it mimba or mimba? Mimba. So guys, I cut it this way, then I cut across a slice in a hivi. So this liquid is which I apply on my face and sleep with it throughout the night. Then in the morning, the first thing I do is use my black soap, the shea butter soap, and wash it out. So this is how I do it. Okay, some people will say it's ukilamba ni kali sana, so wewe usipake naanza kulamba midomo, sawa? So mimi nishazoea bwana paka hadi midomo, because I don't lick my lips. So don't apply then start licking your lips because it's too bitter. So this is how I apply.
Baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, would always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do
I'll wait until it dries up and nazalala. So tomorrow in the morning I wake up, wash it off. That's it, guys. You can give it a try for 1 week, then you'll see the results, and if it works for you, it's really good. Since our skins are not the same, we have different skin types, so try whatever fits you guys, and aloe vera fits me so well by day. So guys, thanks for watching. That's it. Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button. It's free of charge, guys. We are on the road to 500 subscribers, so support me by subscribing. The subscribe button is down here below, so guys, hit the subscribe button. And what else? And guys, feel free to like, share, and comment. Feel free to leave a comment on what you think about my channel. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.